Hello students, welcome to online maths classroom. In this part 4 of linear inequalities, we'll discuss solutions of miscellaneous exercise. So let us start with it. Number 1 is solve the inequalities in exercises 1 to 6. So it's a very simple exercise from here, right? So 3x minus 4 is lying between 2 and 5, right? So both ways inequality is there. So what I need to do is I have to bring x here in the middle term. For it, I just need to eliminate whatever else is there, right? So see, first thing is I'll add 4 throughout both sides. So it becomes 2 plus 4, 6, 3x minus 4 plus 4, and it is 5 plus 4, right? So it becomes 6 less than equal to 3x less than equal to 9, right? So means I have eliminated my 4. Now to eliminate this 3, what I need to do? I have to divide by 3. So it becomes 6 by 3 is 2 and x, and this 9 by 3 is 3. So that means x is lying between 2, 3, means x belongs to closed interval. See the brackets, both are involving both signs of equal to also, right? So closed interval 2, 3. Next is 6 less than equal to minus 3 times 2x minus 4 less than 12. So open the bracket, I'll get in between minus 6x plus 12. So firstly, to eradicate, what I need to do, I have to subtract 12 throughout. So I get here 6 minus 12 is your minus 6. This is minus 6 and this is 0. Now I have to divide by minus 6. Now be careful. Minus 6, I am dividing by minus 6. That means the inequality direction will also change, right? So it will become 1 greater than equal to minus 6 upon 6, minus 6 is your 1. But the direction is also changing, and 0 upon 6 is 0. So I get, right, 1 greater than equal to x greater than 0. So arrange it. So it becomes x lying between 0 and 1, but 0 is not included and 1 is included. So it becomes semi-closed interval, open towards 0 and close towards 1. Number 3 is, again, see the middle term here. So firstly, I'll subtract 4. So it becomes minus 7. See, minus 7, right? Minus 7x by 2 and less than equal to 40, right? 18 minus 4 is 40. Now multiply by minus 2 by 7 to eliminate this. So minus 2 by 7 means the direction of inequality is going to change, and see here. So I get 2 greater than equal to x greater than equal to minus 4, that is x is lying between minus 4 and 2, and both equality signs are there, so x belongs to closed interval minus 4, 2. Now this one is minus 15 less than 3 times x minus 2 by 5 less than equal to 0. So again, see, firstly multiply by 5, I get this, then divide through 3 to eliminate this. I get minus 25 less than x minus 2 less than equal to 0, right? And then add 2. So I'll get x lying between minus 23 and 2, but minus 23 is not included. So open interval towards this side and close towards this. Now here 4 minus 3x upon minus 5 is lying between minus 12 and 2. Okay, 2 is included, minus 12 is not. So again, firstly, just arrange this sign of minus, adjust it plus, right? So first thing is to subtract 4. I'll get this, then multiply by 5. Okay, or you can go for 5 by 3 also, but multiply by 5, right? Then divide by 3 to get x, and I'll get something like between minus 80 by 3 and minus 10 by 3. So towards side here will be, it is closed, and here it will be open, because here the sign is of strict inequality. Number 6 is this. So what will I do? I'll firstly multiply with 2 to get this equation, then subtract 11, then divide by 3. I'll get x lying between 1 and 11 by 3. So it is closed interval here, 1 and 11 by 3. Solve the inequalities from question number 7 and 10 and represent the solution on number line. Okay. So see from here, 5x plus 1 greater than minus 24 and 5x minus 1 less than 24. Now since now there are pair of inequations, so you have to take that particular solution which depict complete. Okay, means either both these equations will give you a fixed range, means greater than this and less than this, or both if are giving you greater than or both are giving you less than, then you have to work out the solution in different ways. So let us see what is happening in this question. Like this, first will give me 5x greater than minus 25, x is greater than minus 5. Now see, From 2 we get 5x minus 1 less than 24, that is 5x less than 24 plus 1, that is 5x is less than 25, that is x is less than 5. So x is lying between your minus 5 and 5. That means x belongs to your open interval minus 5 and 5. Now what is the open interval means? Means minus 5. This is the number line from minus infinity to infinity. So minus 5 and 5 both are not included. So that's why we kept the whole. And rest of the whole line. See, this is the solution. Okay. Now see the eighth one. 2 times x minus 1 less than x plus 5. 3 times x plus 2 greater than 2 minus x. So when we will solve the first, so I'll get x less than 7. Solving the second, I'll get x greater than minus 1. So x is lying between minus 1 and 7 means open interval minus 1, 7. Okay. So see from here again minus 1, 7 holes are there as neither minus 1 nor 7 are included. So this is the complete solution. Okay. Be careful to leave the hole there. Okay. Hole is to be kept aloof. Hole is not to be covered. Then 3x minus 7 greater than 2 times x minus 6, 6 minus x greater than 11 minus 2x. So first this equation will give me x greater than minus 5. Second will give me x greater than 5, right? So see, now both are giving you the same sign, x greater than 5, x greater than minus 5, right? So see, when we are dealing with the greater signs, so we should take the greater one because see, out of 5 and minus 5, which number is greater? 5 is greater. So which something is greater than 5 is definitely automatically greater than minus 5, right? So as x is greater than 5, because x greater than 5 means x is also greater than minus 5. So I cannot take this one then I have to take this one. So that means what is the x greater than 5 means the interval 5 infinity. So see how 5 infinity will be taken. So as open will be towards this side and 5 infinity towards this side. Okay. Again 10th question is there. So first equation will give me my x less than equal to 11. Second equation will give me your x greater than equal to minus 7. So it's a fixed range. Means x is lying between closed interval minus 7 to 11. So that means now here endpoints. So see, you have to take the dots covered. See, whole dots are covered. So that means this complete. This complete. You can see it is clearly. Just for depicting purposes, I'm shading it. So this is your required solution. The whole elements. Okay. And these covered dots means the endpoints are also included. Number 11 is the solution is to be kept between 68 degree Fahrenheit and 77 degree Fahrenheit. What is the range in temperature in degree Celsius? See if the Celsius Fahrenheit conversion formula is given by F is equal to 9 by 5 C plus 32. So see, your F is lying between 68 and 67, right? Right. So let's put the value of your F as 9 by 5 C. Okay, here. So here F, this equation F should be replaced by this C. Now I have to bring here C. So firstly what I need to do is I should delete 32, then 5 and then 9, or simply by multiplying with 5 by 9, this work can also be executed. So first thing is to subtract 32, I'll get 36 less than 9 by 5 C less than 45, and then I'll multiply throughout by 5, so I get 180 less than 9 C less than 225, then divide by 9, I'll get C lying between 20 and 25. So the required range of temperature is between means C, endpoints are not included, it is between 20 degrees Celsius and 25 degree. Okay. Number 12 is a solution of 8% boric acid is to be diluted by adding a 2% boric acid solution to it. The resulting mixture is to be more than 4% but less than 6% boric acid. If we have 640 liters of 8% solution, how many liters of 2% solution will have to be added? Now, dear students, please pay attention, right? What we do is to dilute some solution, some acidic solution. We do not dilute it by putting water to it or like this, okay? An abrupt reaction will take place. So any concentrated mixture acid is diluted by putting a acid in it, which is of the same acid, which is of lesser concentration, okay? So this is what that 8% boric acid is diluted by adding 2% 2% solution of boric acid, right? So resulting mixture means I have to add this much, that 8% boric acid, it becomes your more than 4% but should not exceed 6%. So this is the prime thing which we need. Okay, lie between this, and total 640 liter is there, right? So what is to be added? Your 2% boric acid. Now what is given? 640 liters of 8% boric acid is given. Now let X be the number of liters of 2% boric acid solution which I am adding. So what will happen to the total mixture now? It will become 640 plus X, because I am adding X liters of this 2% solution to 640, right? Now what should be the condition? 2% of this X. 2% of X I am adding to 8% of 640, so that resulting mixture is greater than, means more than 4, less than 6%. So is greater than your 4% of that mixture which we will get by adding X and 640. So 4% of X plus 640. And similarly 2% of X plus your 8% of 640 should be less than 6% of X plus 640, right? Now we need to solve them. So 2% means 2x by 100 plus 8 into 640 by 100 greater than 4x upon 100 plus 4 times 640 by 100, right? Similarly the other one. Now solve this one, multiply by 100, as 100 can be eliminated. I get this equation. Okay, bring all the x's to one side. I'll get it as your 1280 greater than x. Okay, and the second one is less than 4x. So this is 320 less than x, means x is lying between your 320 and 1280. So amount of x, the amount x of 2% boric acid solution which is to be added should be more than 320 liters but less than 120 liters. Number 13 is how many liters of water will have to be added to 1125 liters of 45% solution of acid, so that resulting mixture will contain more than 25% but less than 30% acid content. Okay, so the mixture is of 1125 liters of, right, 45% solution of acid, to which you need to add water, and the concentration should be your more than 25 but less than 30%. So that I am adding x liters of water. Okay, so since pure water contains 0% acid, so no acid is there, right? So that means the total mixture will now be, it will be 1125 plus x. So I'll proceed the same way in the second question, in the previous question, right? So 0% of x, as water is not having any acidic concentration, so I'm not adding 0% of acid, okay, to dilute it, right? So in this question we are diluting by adding my water. Okay, so 45% solution of added to be diluted by adding water. Okay, so how many liters of water is to be added? So like 0% of this x plus 40%, 5% of my the original acid I'm having 1125 should be greater than 25% of the resulting, means 1125 plus x, and the 0% of x plus 45% of 1125 should be less than 30% of 1125 plus x. So by solving it, okay, solving the first portion, multiplication, right, multiply throughout by 100, I'll get two equations here. One is x is less than my 900 greater than x, or x less than 900. And solving the second one, firstly multiply by 100, then divide by 15, how we have discussed in the earlier questions, right? So bring all the x variables to one side and the constants to other side. I'll get the second one as my 562.x is less than x, or right, my x is greater than 562.x. So x is lying between from both these equations, right? From this and from this, I'll get x is lying between my 562.x and 900. So amount of water to be added is more than 562.5 liters and less than 900 liters. Number 14 is IQ of a person is given by the formula. IQ is MA upon CA into 100. MA means the mental age, right? And CA means the chronological age. Chronological age is the actual age, okay? So if your IQ is lying between 80 and 140 for a group of 12-year-old children, this 12-year means chronological age, okay? find the range of their mental age, right? Chronological age is 12 years, so you have to find the range of your mental age. Now my IQ is lying between 80 and 140. Okay, so IQ should be changed because I need to find the range of my mental age. So I'll change this formula IQ by this, your MA upon CA into 100, right? So here it is substituted, like mental age is taken as X. So if you want to take that is okay, otherwise MA is also okay to be written. So this is my expression as MA is written here as X. Okay, so firstly I just in the same way I have to bring X in between. So firstly I'll multiply by 12 to get 960 less than equal to 100x less than equal to 1680, and then divide by your 100. So I get 9.6 less than equal to x less than equal to 16.8. So means, what is the required range of mental age of 12-year-old children? It is from 9.6 to 16.8. Okay, and both this 9.6 and 16.8 are included. As you see, the inequality is involving the sign of equality also. Okay, means it is not the strict inequality. So both 9.6 and 16.8 is there, right? So this concept is regarding like if a 12-year-old student or child has a IQ of 16.8, means it is coming to the genius category, means right, like we say gifted students. And the 9.6 means a 12-year child is having 9.6 and somewhat having say very this mental age very less than this also. So means this child is this is not a gifted child. Okay, means his IQ is not up to the level which is required for a 12-year-old child, right? So this is all about this question. I hope whatever is taught to you in this exercise is clear to you, right? I would like to mention here that the 6 marks question that comes from this topic, or even a 4 marks question from this topic, the two choices are there. One is the graphical solutions that we take, like questions from exercise 6.3, right? Or the replacement. If graphical question is not selected, then in replacement to it you can get a question which is like addition of that 2% boric acid, means the addition of percentage questions to a particular solution, like, and that water life question, right, where you added water to 45% 45% of an acid solution. Okay, so that type of question comes generally sometimes in replacement to the graphical problems, right? So go through both this type of problems well, right, so that you can solve them accurately. Okay, I hope whatever is taught to you is clear. Thank you so much.